morning, Avid. So for today, Tuesday, August 31st, we're going to be doing quite a few things today. For your do now, I'm going to have you guys do a Book It review about the things we've learned in Avid. I know you guys like doing Book It, and I figured we needed to make sure we reviewed Slant before we moved on from it. So today we're doing Book It. The Walk in My Shoes, we started it on Friday. You guys answered those 10 questions, and a couple of you were even starting to sketch out your shoe. Today you're going to continue on with that. You guys are going to finalize your shoe choices. You're going to have today, and you're going to have a little bit on Friday to finalize those shoe choices. So just want to make sure we do that. Just as a reminder, homework is prep for binder check. On Wednesday, we are doing an agenda scavenger hunt, and I am checking your binders, okay? It is turning official. So please make sure that you have that ready to roll. In your English and math classes, you should have received the checklist tomorrow, so we're just going to be going over it. It's going to be a binder day on Wednesday, all right? So that is what we are going to be doing for today. You guys already know. Let's review for our Book It. And then the Avid shoe activity, walk a mile in my shoes. Shoes are a metaphor for your life, ladies and gentlemen. We all take different shoes. We all wear different roles, different things. Tell us about our personalities. And I really want to know a little bit more about our personality. So this is just kind of an example that I showed you all, and you all received the example where you're going to write the answer to each question in a complete sentence. Then you guys selected a shoe that represents you. Today our exit ticket is to tell me what kind of shoe represents you. And then I showed you guys this example. And then this is just another example somebody did with color. Now, my drafting expectations. I want you guys to have full and complete thoughts, full and complete sentences. Think about what kind of shoe represents your personality and to draw it on the blank paper. Many of you were tracing an example. Some of you were telling me if you could draw Birkenstocks, that's fine. It's you. What represents you in this life? So the first 5 prompts, you guys got to talk about what you and your friends talk about at lunch. Remember, that's the tongue of the shoe. What you dig your heels into, so this is the heels, the hobbies you love. The labels, 2 traits or things that you identify. So are you a skater? Are you kind? Are you caring? Are you nurturing? Number 4 was soul searching, where you want to go to relax or think. Remember, that was the sole of the shoe. And then support. What person supports you now or in the past? And it can be you. We talked about that in class. Okay. Our second 5 prompts are running around doing. What events, clubs, sports, errands do you do regularly? A lot of you told me that it's just really running around your families, and that's fine. Okay? 7 is walk. Where do you enjoy going with friends and family? Where do you enjoy walking? And then keeping you on your toes. What goals, thoughts keep you motivated to get up every single day? Number 9, water to eyes. What are some things or situations that can make you genuinely happy? We talked a little bit about this in class. And then finally 10, what are some situations that can cause knots? This is by the shoelaces. Things or situations that make you unhappy, okay? So we are on day 2. You're going to start drawing your shoes with details on blank paper. You're going to rewrite your responses, and you're going to make it look gorgeous, okay? And then day 3, we're going to do some presentations. All right, and then our exit ticket is why is it important to reflect on academic and non-academic attributes, as well as letting me know what shoe you picked. Alright, you guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school or by email, and I'll get back to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.